Good morning. So this is 8 o'clock in the morning. Bubbles and Pebbles have been up since 7 o'clock. I haven't given them breakfast yet because I have to give them their medicine first. Bubbles and Pebbles have not been well for over a week. They had loose motion. तो काफ़ी टेंशन हो गया था. For first 2-3 days I did not realize anything, लेकिन fourth day onwards I realized that they have a loosies. So they did not become very sick or very lethargic, weak, कुछ भी मतलब notice नहीं किए. No fight, no fight. So birds can hide their illness very well. तो बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, otherwise it gets difficult, it gets too late before you can feed the bird. So after 2-3 days of noticing that their stool is really liquid types, so I started giving them some stomach upset medicine mixed with water, but they were not having it. So then I immediately contacted the bird breeder because the veterinary doctors here are not very knowledgeable about birds. So the bird breeder told me that I have to give them orally non-metrozole suspension, which I already had. I started giving this to them in their mouth directly with a dropper, and they hated it. And the bird breeder also suggested to give this Bird's Care. They really like it. Bird's Care liquid mixed with this bird booster, some kind of powder, and I'm going to give this to them. I gave this normetrozole suspension to them. This is a liquid for human babies, not for birds. This is not a bird medicine. This is a human medicine meant for babies. So this is the normetrozole liquid suspension. You just have to shake it. And I gave each bird like they're running away because they don't like this medicine, the taste of it. So 3 drops each, twice a day for 3 days I gave them, and that did the trick. But along with that I also gave them these two. These are actually supplements meant for birds. Bird supplements है, तो इसको हम दे रहे हैं for last 7 days, and they have really become happy. They like the taste also, and they are feeling pretty good now. So now I'm gonna give this to them, and I'll show you how to medicate your birds if they are not having medicine mixed water when they are sick. So it's very important to treat the birds on time, नहीं तो बहुत लेट हो जाता है. And birds, if they don't drink, they drink very little water. So if you're mixing the medicine with the water, they are not having enough water, then it becomes too late. Your bird can just pass away also without being medicated. So please be careful. This is for the new bird owners who do not have much knowledge about how to medicate their birds. So keep hawk's eye for the symptoms and start treating them as soon as possible. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि birds lethargic हो जाते हैं, weak हो जाते हैं, they sit in one place and don't move, then you can figure out they are sick. But actually that by then it's too late probably. तो बाकी का symptoms आप ध्यान रखें and start medicating them as soon as possible. So this is Bird's Care liquid. They really love the taste. They want to have it straight from the bottle. So I'm gonna take 4 drops per bird, so total 8 drops here, with the help of a dropper. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, you're not gonna have now. Wait. Wait. Bubbles. I'm gonna give. Sit here. Be patient. The best part is the birds love the taste, so they are gonna have it just like that. And 2 pinches of this. Can you move your tail, Bubbles? 2 pinches of this mixed straight into this liquid, and it just mixes up very nice. 2 pinches of bird booster mixed with bird care. And I don't know the company, I'll just try to show it. They are good for all birds, so I'll try to show it. I don't know the brand name or anything. I just bought it straight from the bird breeder, from wherever I bought Bubbles and Pebbles. Come on, sit here, wait. So you just mix it and it becomes easily the powder just smells and gets disintegrated. So now I'm gonna give them straight from this dropper. Wait. Come here, Bubbles, Pebbles, someone. Okay, Pebbles, just love it. Hey, wait, I will not be able to figure out the dosage. Wait. Acha, Pebbles is having first. Let Pebbles have first. Come, Pebbles. See how they love it? There goes. Pebbles is done. Now Bubbles. Bubbles, come. Come here. Have it. Slowly, slowly. No, don't shake it off. Slowly. Don't shake it off. Yeah. You like it, Bubbles. Don't throw. Pebbles had it very nicely. Pebbles को ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I had to grab both the birds initially and force feed this till they started liking it and having on their own. तो अगर आपके birds अपने आप ऐसे नहीं ले रहे हैं medicine or any supplement, you will have to grab them very gently with lot of reassurance. ऐसे नहीं कि पकड़ के बहुत torture करके देना है. Then they'll start hating it. But Pebbles wants more. Pebbles like it so much. They like the taste of this, so they happily have it. But when they are not well, that time medicines have to be given kind of directly inside their mouth, so that whatever dosage, it goes inside their system properly. नहीं तो डोज इतना कम हो जाता है, if you mix it with the water and they are not having the water, then actually they are not being medicated, और ऐसे में birds को problem हो जाता है. So that's how I gave the medicines, normetrozole suspension and these two supplements to my birds when they were not well. For another 3-4 days I'm going to give this supplement to them as per the breeder's advice, and after that every alternate week I'm going to give them for 3 to 4 days. So this is Birds Booster. I don't know it's called Star Farms, starfarms.in. Probably you'll get it online, I'm not sure. And this is also from the same company, Star Farms, and the cost is around $125 and $150 each. So it really did the trick for my birds. So if especially they're having loosies or any other problems, just please contact the veterinary doctor or the bird breeder, knowledgeable people, and start treating your birds as soon as possible. Say bye-bye, Pebbles. Say bye. Wave your hand. Good bird. Wave your hand. Yeah, bye.